Okay. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay, then moving on to the next arpeggio. 2, 3, 4. 1, applied the wrong rule over there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we can move to the next arpeggio. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. exercise in this particular scale. Um, let's try the same exercise on a different key. I think let's try it on E flat. I was gonna try C7, but the shapes of these arpeggios are essentially the same as F7. Kind of want to try a different key. So I've done the half step rules for this key. So now let's think of another key, E flat. And you start the arpeggio on E flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So I didn't think this through. We resolve on 6th. So no added half step or adding 2 half steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Messed up the half step rule over there. That's how it should be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. What would happen if I start on 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so what I'm trying to do here is I'm ending it on the same beat, but I'm adding some enclosures or added notes so that I fall on the expected beat. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. So something like that. I am just calculating and then adding the enclosure around G, because I know that I'm going to land on G. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2. Okay, I can do that actually. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2. Okay, I think I'm going a little too far from the exercise. Let's stick with starting the arpeggio on first and third beats. Probably add variations as I keep practicing more. For now, first and third beats, it's easy to get distracted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2. So I think we are done with the three options when I start the arpeggio on 1. That's another resolution. That's another one. Now we can move to the next one. Those are the three options. So let's start 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, scroll up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. And 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. So we should be adding a half step over here because we are resolving on 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. And 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. this arpeggio as well. Can move on to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Mm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay, I think I'm not thinking about which half step rule I'm about to add. I think I'll just um, stop counting for a while, and before I play, I'll just say what I'm about to play. Okay, so we are resolving the arpeggio that starts on the 5th. We are resolving it on the 3rd, so we have two options. One is to add just one half step, or the other option is to add 3 half steps. So let's try these two. First, I'll play the 1 half step, and then I'll play the 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3. I think the garland comp is kind of making it a bit tricky, and I'm not having difficulty keeping the time or playing it on the beat, but I think I'm just playing it louder than I'm supposed to. So gotta keep the left hand in control. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3. Yeah, just gotta keep the left hand a bit soft. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, and 3 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, and 3. 4 and 1, 2, and 3, 4. Okay. Now we can resolve to the 5th. So again, same thing. Either 1 half step or 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3 and 4. 1, 2, and 3 and 2 and 3, 4. And 3 and 4 and 1, 2, and 3 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Okay. And then that's another option we have. So that's the last arpeggio that we can use over E flat 7. For that we have 3 options to resolve. Actually, for this one, we could have also resolved it on the 6th. So 1, 2, and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, and 3. So that's another option. So final arpeggio 1, 2, and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, and 3 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, and 3 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, and 3. Messed up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, practice for this is let's see what I can do if I use a pivot. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we move back to F7 and let's say, so if I so what options do we have when it comes to pivoting? So one option was just start ascending arpeggio. The second option is, so 1 and 2 and 3, resolving on the sixth. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 3. That's another option. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That's another option. That's another option. So 2, 3, and 4, and 1, and 2. Doesn't sound so good, but still an option. But anyway, I'm going into some extra stuff.
Let's try all those combinations in B flat now. 2, a 1, 2, 3. So if you take any one of these 4 notes and drop it by a half step, you get a dominant 7th chord. So and build those 4 dominants and see how they relate to one another in a key. Minor. Another way I like to look at that backdoor dominant chord is as the 5 chord in the relative major of the parallel minor, right? So we're in C major. The parallel minor of C major is C minor. The relative major of C minor is E flat major, and into the 7. Now what that gives us is a G7 with a diminished chord. Your brothers and sisters. So what were we thinking there? Over the 2 chord, D minor, 1, 2, 3, we're going to think G7 over both D minor 7 and G7, and then we're going to resolve into a chord tone of C. 2, 1, 2, 3. So what were we thinking there? Over the 2
So this exercise 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1 and 2. So now we are getting into 2-5-1s and using the 2 arpeggio, and then we are landing on the third beat. So 1 and 2 and 3, which is on the beat. We have a chord note in G7. Again, we'll be thinking G7 on 2 as well. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know, I think I feel like practicing something else now. Let me think. Okay. Okay, so I think I'll practice E7 drop 2 arpeggios. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. It's been a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now B flat 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So F minor 6 arpeggio drop 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Maybe I'll try a bit faster. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. now I will play the minor 6 diminished scale in contrary motion. So diminished sixth scale is okay, and I will play the closed voicing and shells, and the pattern that I will be playing is going to be a thirds contrary. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I'm giving an example. Okay, it's gonna be difficult. It's been a while since I've practiced this, so yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. It's hard. I'll probably go with a much slower tempo than this. 1, 2. Still pretty hard. I think I'll practice the descending part again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The same exercise but G minor 6. Let's try that. So for G minor 6, I'll just play the scale first. Okay.